Hey everybody, welcome to today's session. In today's session, we're going to go over a few currency pairs I have on my watch list to see what potential trading opportunities we have for this coming week, especially this coming month. As we know, August just finished. We had a beautiful winning month, which I'm grateful for. If you'd like to see the results, join our free Telegram group that's linked in the description. So we're going to be looking over the currency pairs over the monthly perspective and see how the monthly is aligning and see what potential trading opportunities or which direction the pairs are most likely to push in this coming month. So that's basically what we're going to be doing. So if that sounds interesting, feel free to stick with us until the end. Don't forget to like this video and share with a few friends that you believe will also find value in it. So we're going to start off with a Jpyx. From the monthly perspective, we can see last month prices were crazy bullish, and I told you guys the possibility of prices pushing higher until the next market structure, which was here, is very high, and which it did happen. So prices this month of August did push until it hit that market structure, and you can see as it just hit, prices are now rejecting off the structure and have closed with a pin indicating a possible reversal. So what does this mean? This means that prices are most likely going to keep on pushing lower. As you know, JPYX has been in a bearish trend for a very long time. And now with prices failing to break this high, that indicates that the bulls are still not strong enough. So I'm going to be looking for possible reversals somewhere here. And should prices fail to reverse from here to push back up, I'll then just be waiting for prices to continue its bearish trend all the way to the bottom a bit, right? So where exactly am I going to be looking for potential buying opportunities on DXY, on JPYX? As you can see on the monthly, prices have not yet broken any high, but if you look at it from a daily perspective, you can see it took out a couple of highs, this high, this high, this high, this high. So obviously on the lower time frames, it is bullish. So will it maintain this bullish momentum and break the higher time frame perspective? That's what we are aiming to see. Now, where I'm anticipating to look for possible reversals are somewhere around here, the 0.5 and 618. So you can see on the 0.5, we do have some kind of market structure. As prices were rejected off right here. And on 618, same thing. As prices showed some kind of rejection here, prices broke, retested that, and then, kept on pushing lower. So it's in these two places that I'll be looking for possible reversals. Now, should prices break below each of these two structures, then I believe the bearish trend will continue. And from there, we'll be just looking for continuations for prices to keep on pumping lower. But currently, we obviously understand that prices are most likely going to pump until somewhere here. So for the coming week, I believe prices will be bearish on the JPYX. As you can see right now, it is already bearish. Now, how that will be impacting the currency pairs? We do have, for instance, CAD JPY here. I do believe prices are first and foremost going to be looking for these highs. So for the coming week, I'll be looking for those prices to pump all the way there. We have Euro JPY. Same thing. Prices to pump until they hit these structures here. So for the coming week, I'll be anticipating to see Euro JPY in a bullish momentum. So with that being said, how about our favorite index, DXY? How's DXY looking? Now, DXY, if you look at it from the monthly perspective, it has closed bearish. It has closed bearish, but it did end up hitting this monthly very strong support structure, and you can see prices have already started rejecting off it. So what I'm anticipating to see, or just as we're right here on the monthly, okay, it doesn't show. So as you can see, this is from the weekly. So what I'm anticipating to see is, because this is a monthly structure, it's very strong. So prices can just break past it. So I believe prices will be rejected and will retrace until this most recent broken structure. And then from here, prices may continue being bearish. Now, if we look at it from a daily perspective, we can see the structure is somewhere here. And that's where I'm anticipating to see prices pump to. If we look at it from the 4-hour, that's where we're anticipating to see prices go to. And as on Friday, prices did just break above here. So this coming week, I'll be anticipating to see some kind of a retracement here before we look for those buys until prices reach somewhere there. So that's my view on DXY and how I'm anticipating it to play out on the other currency pairs. USD JPY, I'm anticipating to see some kind of a retracement here before we get that continuation. We got Euro USD, prices just broke below that low. I'm anticipating to see some kind of a retracement before we get that dump. Chill somewhere here. We got GU, prices just broke below that low. Anticipating to see some kind of a retracement before we get that dump. Gold prices, you can see they're still ranging, but if we do put a trend line here, we can see that the structure is already broken. And right now prices are there. So I'll be waiting for some kind of a retracement here, break below this structure, and a continuation to the downside. So that's my view on the currency pairs that I have on my watch list. If you did find value in this video, consider giving us a like, subscribe. Don't forget to comment your biggest takeaway. How was your August? And with that being said, guys, I hope we have a crazy, beautiful, beautiful month with great returns. So till next time, guys, appreciate you all. Take it easy out there. Peace.